Okay, I've now removed the screws holding the manifold in place. I'm going to remove it now, along with the gas line attached. Okay, I've removed the entire burner combustion chamber from the furnace, which was much easier than I thought. I'm going to clean it here where I have better access to it. If you'll notice, there's all kinds of bugs and debris in the bottom that have come up through the intake pipe here above. So I'm going to take the burners apart off of the combustion chamber and clean them individually. As you can see, there's some rust built up in there. Must be getting some moisture inside. I'm believing that's what's causing it not to light properly. I removed number 3 because it's the one that looked like it had been clogged the most. I took it down to my workbench. I cleaned it on a bench grinder and got virtually all the rust off. In comparison to what it did look like, I think it's a lot better. I also discovered that these little areas here, a knife, utility knife, seems to work good to fit in to clean out this area. This area, I believe, is what lets fuel travel from one burner to the other. So when it starts, it comes in here, travels to the next, to the next. So if that area is clogged, which I believe is what my problem is, probably clogged with rust, then it's not going to work properly.